Hello, it's Dr. Mike. I want to show you just today a quick what's called a proprioceptive exercise. And I first learned this when I had a really bad ankle injury and I was rehabbing it. But this is also helpful for, you don't even have to have an injury. It can be just because you have subluxations in your spine. It's going to help stabilize. So it's going to help with your chiropractic adjustments, help them improve faster. It can help you adapt better to your environment. So and the cool thing is it's pretty quick results. You may not see it right away, but if you do it consistently every single day, that'll improve very, very quickly. So if you've had knee injuries in the past, or ankle injuries, or even low back or spinal injuries, it can really be beneficial. I think not everybody has to do it, but I think everybody could benefit from it. So basically there's three progressions with this. Number one is starting just simply on one foot. So you stand on one foot. If you're really, really unstable and you can't do that, I would suggest to do that first before you even go to the step two. So step one, be able to stand on one foot for at least 30 seconds, maybe even a minute without losing your balance or having to put your foot down. Do both sides. You're probably going to find that one side's more difficult than the other, so that's step one. The second thing is, again, going back to one foot. This time you're going to bring the one foot in front of you and hold that again for 10 to 15 seconds. Then go behind you, hold that for 5 to 10, 15 seconds. Hold it in front of you and do that 2 to 3 times. So 2 times in front, 3 times in back, the whole time standing on one foot. Okay? Then the last progression is what's called a lawn pull exercise, because it looks like lawnmower, like you're starting a hand-pulled lawnmower. Okay? So basically with this exercise, what you can do, again, you're going to stand on one foot, you're going to reach down, your one foot's going to go behind you, and you're going to reach down and touch the floor, close to the floor. You're going to come back while that foot goes forward and your arm goes back, like again, you're starting a lawnmower. And then again, your goal is to keep doing that forward and back for at least 10 times before you lose your balance. In the beginning, it can be frustrating. Remember when I first started doing this, I would get so agitated because I couldn't do it more than 2 or 3 times without losing my balance. And again, you're going to find one side that's easier than the other. So I would do that at least 10 times, work up to being competent on 10 times on each foot. And if you're struggling more with one foot than the other, it's okay to do that one an extra 3 or 4 times every time you do it. So let's say you do 10 on your left leg, which is easier, and then you do 13 on your right leg every single day. And again, you just do this consistently, you'll see it will build up pretty quickly. You can just do this if you're watching TV at night during the TV commercials. You could do it throughout the day when you're at the office. So really simple thing to do, very, very effective. Again, at the beginning, you may not notice a huge difference right away, but as you do it consistently, it will get much, much easier for you, and it will help stabilize the spine, it will help stabilize the knees and the ankles as well. So if you have questions on it, please let me know.